Today we are diving headfirst into the glamorous world of Bollywood, and I'm going to be recreating Deepika Padukone's stunning eyeshadow look. This look is everything: bold, sultry and perfect for a special occasion. So grab your brushes and your favorite eyeshadow palettes because we're about to create some magic. So the first step to achieve this eyeshadow look is to prime our eyelids. I'm going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I'm going to be using the Anisa Beauty Eye Fan Brush to apply its concealer. Next up, we're going to start building that gorgeous color on the lid. I'm reaching for the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette. It's got the perfect shades for this look. To apply the transition shade, I'm using this fluffy Colourpop E15 brush. I'm going to dip into the shade Keep Going, which is a beautiful matte brown. We're going to focus on the outer V initially, and then we're going to bring in the color into the socket. You want to blend this into your skin tone as much as you can. And to make things easy, let's apply this on the lower lash line too. Alright, let's change brushes now. We're going in with the A11 from the Morphe into Ariel collection. Let's dip into the shade Power, which is going to help blend that transition shade further into the skin tone. Changing brushes again, we're going in with the Nikia Joy Cosmetics E12 pencil brush. This is a more precise brush, and let's dip into the shade Legacy, and we're going to start applying this to the upper lash line first. You do not have to be very precise with this step, but don't go too high on the lid, and let's apply that on the lower lash line too. Your eye should look something like this. Now for a bit of shimmer, let's go in with the shade Manifest It, and we're going to tap that onto the eyelid. It's sort of a glossy and shimmery shade, but it's not too intense, which is perfect for this look. Going in with the cream black shade known as Purpose, we're going to create a stencil-like for an outer wing. Use an angle brush for this step. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm not going in with a very thick line, and I'm going to be using the Glossier Eye Pencil in the shade Ink for this step. We are filling in the color at this step. Your eye should look something like this. And now with any black shadow, go in with the angle brush, and we're going to pat it on to the cream eyeliner. In this way, we are setting the eyeliner in place while intensifying the blackness. Going in with the same kohl pencil, let's apply that to the lower lash line. This will make the eye look even more sultry. Going in with the Sigma Smudge brush, which is E21, let's apply a black shadow just below the lower lash line. We are intensifying how smoky this eye look is going to be. This is how your eye should look before mascara. Now let's curl the lashes with our Lily Lash Curler. Be gentle with this step, as I always say. Going in with the trusted Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara, we're going to be applying this onto the lashes. Gently apply the mascara onto each lash and wiggle the wand so that you get more product onto the lashes. And there you have it, guys. This is Deepika Padukone's most sultry look. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Have a good one.